Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a SQL Server instance, and a storage target. Next, enable Azure Backup or create a storage account with a blob container. This is where snapshots land. Once done, grant your user or service principal the contributor or backup operator role on the resource group so automated jobs can write backups. Make sure to record region and retention policy constraints because they determine costs and restore windows. Then move directly to creating the backup job. You now create the backup job using the Azure portal, Azure CLI as SQL DB or PowerShell. Backup Center works for managed instances. Define schedule. Full backups cadence, differential frequency, and transaction log intervals to meet your RPO. Then select retention, short-term for quick restores versus long-term for compliance, for example 7, 30, 90, or 365 days. Finally, pick storage redundancy, geo-redundant if you need cross-region resilience. This affects cost, so balance RTO and budget before running. You finish by validating backups. Perform a test restore to an alternate server and verify schema and data integrity. Once complete, monitor backup jobs in Backup Center and review activity logs and blob timestamps to ensure full snapshots landed. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then network/firewall rules, and finally service quotas or storage limits. Those are common culprits. If errors persist, capture error codes and logs. Then rerun the job after addressing the root cause to confirm a successful backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.